Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set up yum repository from locally mounted DVD in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So here you can see that this is the virtual machine settings for Rocky Linux 8. I have enabled the optical drive, and optical drive is pointing to Rocky Linux 8.9 DVD ISO file. So now I have started the virtual machine. So once you started the virtual machine, log into the terminal as a root user. Only root user can set up the yum repository. Okay, login as a root user. First login as a root user. Okay, go to /media directory. Under the media directory, I am creating one file called Rocky 8 underscore DVD. Okay, Rocky 8 underscore DVD is the name of the directory. So through this directory only, DVD ISO file will be mounted. Okay, keep in mind, through this directory only DVD file system will be mounted. Now I am executing the command blkid, that is blkid command. So this will display the list of block devices. Okay, so under this you can see that /dev/sr0 file system. So before that, I am executing df-kh command to confirm, okay, whether the /dev/sr0 is pointing to Rocky Linux 8 DVD. Okay, so /dev/sr0 is pointing to Rocky Linux 8.9 DVD. So copy this line. So copy this line and paste in separate text editor. Okay. Each block device will contain UUID, that is unique universal identifier. So using the unique ID only, we are going to point under /etc/fstab. Okay, now I am going to edit gedit/etc/fstab and add this line. Okay, so note down this line. So UUID space /media space Rocky 8 underscore DVD space ISO 9660 space default space 0 space 0. So this will mount the DVD file system to /media/Rocky 8 underscore DVD directory. So now I am executing the command mount -a and finally systemctl daemon-reload. So this will mount the file systems. Now you can verify the DVD file system is mounted or not. Yes. So DVD file system is mounted successfully to Rocky 8 underscore DVD directory. Yes. Now I am going to /etc/yum.repos.d directory. So under this you can see many .repo files. If you want this repo files, you can leave as it is, or you can take the backup file. Okay, you can take a backup. I am going to delete this repo file because I am going to set up local repository only, no online repositories. So I am going to create one new repo file. So I am going to create one new repo file, Rocky 8 underscore dvd.repo. Okay, so add this line which I am showing. Make sure that you are pointing base URL correctly and gpgkey file correctly as shown here. So base OS and AppStream repositories I have mounted. So make sure that base URL and gpgkey file is pointing to correct location. So these are the entries in Rocky 8 underscore dvd.repo file. Okay, now I am going to run some yum commands. Now I am going to run yum command. So yum update I am giving. So yum update command ran without any issues. Now yum repo list enabled. So you can see that list of repository which are enabled. You can see that upstream and base OS repositories are enabled from DVD. Now I am going to verify the yum repository by installing the package, httpd package. I am installing. Yes, I can able to install package from yum repository. So setting up yum repository from locally mounted DVD in Rocky Linux 8 is successful.